Hello everyone, it is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance Room 1212. The song is Vacate, the artist is T.I. and the featuring KAMO MPHELA. The choreography is Molly Mall. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the demo. You can check out the instructional at the end, but definitely check out the choreographer, Molly Mall. And here we go.
KMR Sounds.
This year, nothing play. Hey, big bag, nigga, millions, it's a payday. Picture me in the middle of the melee. Drop back, so I don't make her head get to it, but the position that I had. She ain't thinking she can take it, but she doing it. Now, in the bed, finna run it. Now, when we finish, I'm gonna buy a Luton. To the homegirl, about me in a woman. I lift the skirt, eat it for at the front door. Put her hands on her, show her what she in for. She said she like it rough, I told her 10-4. Said she already bust, I told her 10 more. Got a man at home and let it be door. She said she love him, I love me more. When she kiss it, make me wonder where her teeth go. When we start playing games on the cheat code. She said I give you one shot, that's a free throw. And if you make that, and you can keep going. Ignore, she said I ain't with my acorn. I said you're hard on man, I'ma pray for him. Go stream that boy, we're around for him. And I'ma have to call somebody to do the hell for him. Your homegirl told you, yeah, you fair warning. Said you better get some braids and prepare for him. Told me man, she was going on a girl trip. I get beside me, ain't no girl him. At the time when your life come to paradise. Had it shaking like a paradise. 6 days on a vacay. See a girl on a